Hey, what's up? This is Ricardo, and in this video I'll show you how to remove the hard drive and caddy from a Dell Latitude 3480. If you're looking for parts for this laptop, go to our website and use this coupon for a 5% off discount. First unscrew, then remove access door. Now unscrew and disconnect battery. Then unscrew and disconnect hard drive. Now unscrew and remove hard drive caddy. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. And if you need more, check out this playlist to watch other tutorials for your laptop. You can also click here to find parts for your laptop at partspeople.com.